A pleasant morning to each and everyone. Welcome again to our subject, Government Accounting. And our topic for this day is all about inventories. And these are the two learning objectives. Number one, account for inventories by a government entity. Number two, describe the procedures in the receipt and disposition of inventories by a government entity. So these are the different classifications of inventories of a government entity. Letter A, inventory held for sale, yung ibinebenta guys. Letter B, inventory held for distribution, yung mga dinidistribute guys. Letter C, inventory held for manufacturing, yung ginagawa po. Letter D, inventory held for consumption, yung ginagamit guys. Letter E, semi-expendable property consists of machinery, equipment, furniture, and fixtures, and similar items that are not capitalized as PP because their costs are below the 15,000 capitalization threshold for PPE guys. Okay, so you can put that in the semi-expendable property, not capitalizable because their costs are below 15,000 pesos, guys. Measurement po, how do we measure our inventories po? Letter A, lower of cost and net realizable value for goods held for sale, yung binibenta, guys. Lower of cost and current replacement cost for goods held for distribution. So, tingnan nyo pong mabuti what kind of inventory po yan so that you will know po kung ano yung possible mo pong gamitin as a measurement basis, guys. Measurement cost, so it includes the following, guys: purchase cost excluding trade discounts, wag mong isali, guys. Direct cost incurred in bringing the asset to its intended location and condition. Hanggat hindi pa po siya nagagamit, lahat ng cost na magagamit mo para maging magamit po yung inventory na yan, then what I mean is kasali pa rin po sa kanyang cost, guys. Cost excludes the following. Huwag yung isali itong mga ito, guys. Letter A, abnormal amounts of wasted materials, labor, and production overhead. Letter B, selling costs. And letter C, administrative overheads, guys. Measurement of NRV and CRP. What do you mean by NRV, guys? Is estimated selling price less estimated cost of completion and estimated selling or disposal cost po. That is how do we compute for the NRV. And how do we compute for the current replacement cost? Is the cost of the entity would incur to acquire the asset on the reporting date. Cost formulas is specific identification used for items that are not ordinarily interchangeable and those that are segregated for specific projects. So, for example po niyan, maybe alam niyo na guys. So, for example, yung mga nagbebenta po ng sasakyan, once na naibenta po siya, alam niyo agad po kung ano yung mga sasakyan pang naitira po. Kasi most of the time, mamahalin tong mga ito guys. Using the specific identification ang best for this kind of inventories. So, weighted average cost used for numbers of items of inventory that are ordinarily interchangeable. This shall be applied under a perpetual inventory system. So, ito ay ginagamit para sa mga madamihan. Like for example, noodles, canned goods, like those kinds of inventories, guys. Journal entries, initial recognition po. So, I hope alam niyo po how do we journalize, guys. Kasi the basic or the foundation of accounting, guys, dapat yung matutunan is on how do we analyze transactions, guys. So these are the different entries under inventory held for sale, under inventory held for distribution, under inventory held for manufacturing, under inventory held for consumption, and the semi-expandable property. Recognition as an expense, kailan po daw magiging expense po ang isang inventory? Kapag naibenta, letter A. Letter B, kapag na-distribute po. Letter C, kapag ipinalit, guys. Letter D, kapag nagamit. Letter E, written down to its NRV or current replacement cost. Only the portion of the carrying amount and exceeds of the NRV or CRC is recognized as an expense. Receipt and disposition of inventories, requisition, and users prepare the purchase request. So kapag naubusan ka, syempre mag-request ka, guys. Kapag bibili ka, syempre guys, ayan, purchase order naman po ang iyong i-prepare, guys. Note, a canvas from at least 3 suppliers is required for purchases amounting to 1,000 and above po. So kapag bibili ka ng 1,000 and above, you need to prepare or you go to yung mga tindahan na nagbebenta ng mga bibilhin mo guys. At least three ang tatanungin mo. Then you need to prepare an abstract of canvas. Receipt and disposition of inventories. Property or supply division prepares the IAR. Property inspector will inspect the delivered items and fills up the IER para ma-check if tama po or may defect po ba ang dineliver sa inyo guys. The property or supply division records accepted deliveries in the stock card, and accounting division records accepted deliveries in the books of accounts in the supplies ledger card po. So, dalawang records po yan. You need to compare at the end of the reporting period para ma-check if may discrepancies or wala, guys. The property or supply division prepares the disbursement voucher, then forwards it together with the supporting documents to the accounting division for processing of payment. Disposition, the end users prepare the requisition and the issue slip to request for the issuance of inventory. So ikaw nagagamit, so may RIS kang pipilapan. Ayan. The property supply division prepares the report of supplies and materials issued. The stock card is updated using the RSMI po. So ito po ay chinecheck din ni Commission on Audit guys, report of supplies and materials issued po. The accounting division uses the RSMI for recording the books of accounts and updating of the stock ledger card po. Other documents, ayan, so waste materials report used to report kapag may na-waste po. Wasted materials such as destroyed spare parts and other spoilage, report on the physical count of inventories, report of accountability of accountable forms, inventory custodian slip, prepared when issuing semi-expandable property. Okay, so I hope may natutunan tayo for this day. Any question, any inquiry po, you can comment down below or you can PM me guys. And then afterwards, I will send you po the activity for this lesson. So that ends our lesson and I hope may natutunan po tayo. Good day and